2:06 a.m. The doorbell chimes, sharp and sudden, slicing through the dead of night. I creep to the door, my breath held tight in my chest, and peer through the peephole. Nothing, just the empty, moonlit porch and the long, eerie shadows of the trees. Then it rings again. 2 quick, sharp bursts. Asterisk, ding-dong, ding-dong. Asterisk, I press my ear against the cold wood, and my heart starts to pound. 1, 2. It's matching my heartbeat. The third night, it rings 3 times. My pulse races to keep up. I try to ignore it, burying my head under the pillows, but the ringing gets faster, more relentless. On the 7th night, it rings 7 times, and then a soft, deliberate tap on the window right next to the door. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this short story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more chilling tales. See you next time.